came back to visit Ed's family here in Connecticut and mine in New York soon.
Right.
But I had to surprise Ed. I bought you a house.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a little small for me.
A little too small? The dogs don't have enough rooms?
This is something that I came here a million times as a kid growing up in Connecticut, and I've never been here.
Ed's been making fun of me the entire time we've been together. I actually just had to show him on a map. From the Hudson Valley, there is no way to get to Rhode Island easily, so we just never came here.
By the way, this is Rhode Island.
Yes.
Yeah, we are here.
This is the Breakers, and we're going to go check it out now.
Yeah, and by the way, it's really cold. It is, I don't know the...
It's 50-something.
Yeah,
Ed and his temperature. 52 degrees and cloudy.
52. It's cold. Mm-hmm. It's like actually legit cold. For us, this is legit cold.
So let's go into your house.
Oh, okay.
Ed always complains that we need a garage in all of our houses. Mm-hmm. What do you need a garage for when you can have a porte cochere like this?
It's perfect.
Is that acceptable? Do you still need a garage?
Both.
Okay.
Typically, I don't like to have people over yet, but come on, you come in. It's a small house that we just bought, but it's good enough.
Welcome to our home. The Christmas decorations are going up as we speak.
Right. I mean, this is a very mild version for our house.
Ed hasn't over-decorated too much.
No, this is, very simple.
Enjoy the rest of the photos as we take you through our home. This is our breakfast room. And of course, it wouldn't be complete if we didn't have our own Cogsworth and Lumiere.
I'm laughing at your own joke.
You just missed Ed playing the piano. I turned my camera on just a little bit too late.
I know, and it's really something to hear. It is special.
It's a little quieter in here. Everyone came over when they heard you playing the piano, so the lounge area there got a bit crowded.
Right. Again, celebrity stuff, it happens.
Yes, but it's interesting how everything is ornate and we almost said like gaudy, but it's not. It's actually really well put together.
I think it's from that time and with that wealth, it makes sense. It's also beautiful, and it kind of is a little Beauty and the Beast special.
Did you see the ceiling?
Yeah. After a long day of living in a mansion, this is what I need.
And you all know I've been known for decorating early for Ed for Christmas. Our tree even has a top hat. Okay, this is the closet we all need. In the wall, you have your shelves that pull out with all your folded items. And overhead, you can go shopping for which suit you're going to wear today.
As if.
And let's be honest, there's no genders in these bedrooms, because if someone gave me this room, I'm not saying no. It's huge. And it comes with a maid and a bathroom. According to the tour, this is a guest bedroom, and there's 15 like it.
Ooh,
So when are you all coming to visit?
Yeah, come on.
Is this visitor a Gryffindor or a Hufflepuff? You decide.
I'm a conservator here at the Preservation Society, so I work on all the houses.
And then if you just turn around, you can see, the living room again. to use the elevator instead of these older stairs to avoid tripping, but I'm pretty sure I just came down into the servants' quarters. And it might be my favorite part of the house so far, these weird walkways between all the rest of the house. So I'm kind of like an in-between floor between the first and second floor. Totally cool. And more stairs. I just met Ed on the service floor. He came down the elevator, and clearly we found the kitchen.
And I still don't want to cook, but if I had to, that's the way you do it.
I'd love to redo this kitchen. Actually, it's great just the way it is.
It's
Wow.
perfect. Guests be. I don't. No.
If anyone was wondering what's on Ed's Christmas list this year, it's probably one of these. Yep, this is the way a pantry should look. Alrighty, now that we've settled back in at home here, it's time to head out and do some grocery shopping.
Yeah, right.
Also, I love how the masks leave a line on your face just for the camera. Me too,
No,
me
it's,
too.
It's a design choice. It is. I have had so much fun though.
That was a lot of fun, and it was not crowded today either. It was a blast.
There was nobody there. So, you know, if you ever were here at the exact same time and day and it's freezing and you're okay with it, then
Go into the house.
Yeah, it was just great.
It was fun.
I've been here many times and I've never been here with you, obviously.
And I'm sure you've never been here when it was this not busy.
No, definitely not. I've been here when it's crowded.
And us as nerds, me as an architect and preservation scholar, I guess you would say.
Yeah.
We had fun nerding out with everybody throughout the building, telling us all about the different things, and then staring and watch her doing the preservation of the stonework around where the tapestry is going. Yeah. So we actually spoke to her after. She was doing a technique that she paints on this kind of like film of a surface, and then she comes back 2 days later and peels it off. It removes the dust and debris from the stone, but leaves the stone perfectly preserved behind.
Yeah,
she
I'm
said
gonna try it on my skin.
She said it's like a facial for stone.
Perfect.
So if you enjoyed this wonderful tour of our new home today,
For now.
or the breakers here in Newport, be sure to give this video a giant thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to be notified where our next home purchase will be.
And click the bell icon to be notified when we get there.
You mean when we get home?
Right.
Yes.